Might have a broken wing, but he's not worried about any of the others. What's he got there? He's taking a loaf piece of bread or something. He's just sitting under the feeder there, on the wall, eating that little bit of bread. You can see his right wing hanging down, broken wing. Normally he'd be up on that feeder chasing those corellas that are up there that don't actually come from WA. Eastern States species. But I've seen probably 100 of them here, and they're still growing in numbers. As far as I'm concerned, they're as much welcome here as a kookaburra. The bird feeder or water feeder with the stick going across, that's the one showed this white bird with broken wing, who generally lives up there. It has been for the last 2 years. Also got a stick going from the seed feeder into the tree. So he can come down from the tree, he can get feed from the feeder, or he can go on another branch that accesses that pole going across to the water feeder. He's surviving quite well. Eventually I suppose a cat will get him or something like that if he hangs around on the ground like that, because he can't fly. But he's getting pretty good. He's coming in closer, and he's actually been in our house and walked around a couple of times around the kitchen, the lounge room. So he's getting close to a point where hopefully I can capture him and get him to a vet. At the time that he came into the house, I didn't have any big enough cage really to put him into to even get him to the vet, so I had to let him go back out of the house, knowing that he'd probably come back in at the right time. But that's my ambition, is to get this boy to the vet. Here he is coming back out now. Get him to the vet and hopefully get that wing sorted out so he can fly off again. Here he goes, he's climbing back up now. He'll climb up through those branches. You can just see him there through the tree, through the branches. He's coming up. Now he's heading for the pole. He's going to come to the pole that heads up to the feeder, and he's more than likely going to chase this eastern longbill out of that. There we go, but he's chasing off. That's his feeder. He dominates it when these longbills are around. That's the longbill right in front of me, just there. He's got a lot of red on the throat, a lot of red around the eyes, and definitely not like our western longbill corellas or our short-billed corellas. Turning around, I can hear something on behind me. No. So I've got Maggie sitting here waiting for something to eat. Well, he's a male magpie, so he's got all white on his back. The females are more speckled. Say to me, well, you know, give me a bit of meat, don't you? Yeah, you want something to eat, don't you? You're being a bit talkative. You're talking to the camera now, aren't you? I'll go and get you some mince.